Hey, good morning, and welcome to another episode of Motilnet. We had a special request last night for us to take a quick look at AMC Entertainment. So that's AMC as the ticker. Um, right here, we're looking at a daily chart. If we look on Friday, just before the close, it was kind of trending down. Just before the bell, it closed at $4.36. However, right after the bell, there was some great news from the court rejecting APE to get converted into more shares of AMC, and AMC flew on the news. So what happened is we shot from $4.36. We hit a high of $8.77, and that was at 4:15. It immediately retraced and tried to pop back up to the 786, held the 0.5, came back to the 618, came back to the 0.5, and now it's trending just a little bit below it. Obviously, it's a lot of people taking profit. Across the board, people's average costs, whoever's been trading it for the last few months, would be somewhere between like 384, 450, even $5. Where is it going, and what do we see it happening? All right, well, we're looking at the 15-minute chart. If Friday's spike says anything, we've already got it measured out. We're looking for another double. So basically from $6, hit $11.49. And if it keeps going, $15.90. Now, these happen to line up with other support resistance, but from like a long time ago, if we go all the way across. So you could see that, like, really, this is a good opportunity. If you're holding shares, set up your stops, take some profit, and play it smart. I'm not really saying that you should take an entry because a lot of people are going to dump on this. You're going to have to hold around 595 for it to make sense. This large pivot right here, let's measure that one. So basically 572 on the bottom to 727 on the top. And that was at 4 o'clock this morning, the opening candle. So that's to get an idea of what's going to be happening later. So 572, if you're in it and you want to run it, so around 572 has to be your line in the sand, basically. If we drop below 572, 476, 436 is going to come back really quickly. Now, if the apes, let's say, do get into the action, you will still have this bounce here to around $6. It has to hold, come back, and maybe do something to that effect over the course of the day. Retest the aftermarket high of 877, maybe come back down and break. Let's see. If you're just getting in right now, then I would still say you probably want to wait for around $6. And if we come to the $6 and it holds, kind of how you see this, if it holds, you can go. If $6 breaks down, yeah, then somewhere here would be the next bottom zone. Hold, support, go, or else keep going and just keep flushing. So you got to take it with a grain of salt. Be careful, be safe, have your stops in, play smart. Don't bet it all on one. No YOLOs here. This is a risky one, but opportunity. So just play safe. All right, guys. Thank you. Take care.